Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best gifts for car lovers on Amazon. These gifts are perfect for the car lover in your life, as they can spice up their next outing behind a wheel, make the drive more comfortable, or simply broadcast their hobby to the world. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Tikkurv Cleaning Gel for Car Detailing. The car lover in your life definitely enjoys keeping their car in tip-top shape. Part of that is detailed cleaning for the interior of their car. To get in those hard-to-reach spots, this gel from Tikkurv is a great solution. This slime-like substance will clean air vents, around door handles and buttons, in the center console, and even around the curves of the steering wheel. It easily picks up dust, grime, and dirt. Made of guar gum with a lavender fragrance, it is bright blue and easy to use. In addition to cars, it works great for keyboards, small fans, drawers, and anything with small nooks and crannies. It is designed to stick to the substance you want to clean and pick up anything unwanted. It is also very inexpensive. You are able to keep using this until its vibrant color becomes dark and dirty. Number 2. ThisWorks Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner. For car lovers who like to keep their cars clean, here is an alternative solution to the cleaners already mentioned above. This portable vacuum from ThisWorks is great for cleaning out your seats, floor, dashboard, and even hard-to-reach places. It is a handheld vacuum with an LED light and a 16-foot cord. The curvature of the vacuum makes it feel natural to use. It also comes with a flathead hose, an extension tube, and a brush head for all types of cleaning. It is 12V and 110 watts for power usage. The vacuum comes with a small carrying case for ease of storage and transportation. It is fairly affordable for a vacuum as well. Weighing just 2.5 pounds, it is easy to handle. However, it has some downsides. Number 3. Trunk Crate Pro Multi-Compartments Trunk Organizer. Another great gift for car lovers is this trunk organizer from Trunk Crate Pro. You can get this in a regular size or extra large. It comes in black, blue, gray, pink, and red. While it comes with 4 compartments, the dividers are removable and slidable for optimal customization. The sturdy bottom protects from any holes, and the strong side walls and center divider hold it open and make it extra strong. There are interior and exterior mesh pockets for additional storage. Buckles help secure pockets, and there are heavy-duty handles for ease of carrying heavy loads. While great for your trunk, you can also put this in a car seat or on the floor. These are great for holding emergency gear, sports gear, books, groceries, children's toys, drinks, or gifts during the holidays. The organizer itself weighs 4 pounds, so it is fairly lightweight while nothing is in it. Number 4. Fordham Trunk Organizer. Our value pick is the Fordham Trunk Organizer. This unit has 2 large compartments with a modular design, allowing the user to split them into 3. Its large size organizes most of your gear, and it folds up when it's not in use. The Fordham Trunk Organizer is a great gift for the gearhead in your life. First, this organizer is waterproof, making it perfect to take to a car show full of products to pretty it up before the judges come around. Also, the hooks keep it in place in your trunk, so you don't have to worry about it sliding around and falling over. Finally, it can be easily removed from the trunk, so transporting all your gear is no problem. The Fordham doesn't come without its share of drawbacks. For one, there's a strong odor that some users have noticed when the unit is brand new. Number 5. Chemical Guys 20-Piece Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit. Our honorable mention goes to the Chemical Guys 20-Piece Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit. This kit is a total package and comes equipped with everything from wash and wax for the exterior of your car to an interior fabric cleaner. Comprehensive kits make great gift ideas for car lovers. We like that this kit comes with everything you need to make your car sparkle, inside and out. The foam cannon used in conjunction with the microfiber hand mitts make short work of accumulated dirt and grime. The wash and wax formula is spot-free as well, keeping your ride looking brand new. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.